We have arrived. We're going to have a beer.
Outside there's a window.
That's quite a good idea, isn't it?
So my friend ordered a drink for Bernadette. And he said a pint of cider with a half glass, please. And he's got a pint and a half of cider.
We'll be carrying Bern back to the car.
My drink order didn't go wrong, unfortunately. So this is 2 days after Freedom Day in England, and as you can see, the mask restriction has gone. You still can't go in the pub at the moment because you have to queue or get served at the window. But as you can see, I think that sign means. I think that sign's an old thing. So, and here we are. Here's the local chip shop in Morthoe. As you can see, people are still walking around. Luckily, there's not much traffic today. There's some people walking their dogs.
Hello.
You can't say hello. You can say hello now if you want. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm on the way to the vet to have this one.
I don't know where he wants to go. I did say that there was no traffic problems, and then there seemed to be lots of traffic problems. Come on, I don't know why they keep coming towards me. I'm not in a parking space. They can't go anywhere because behind me is a shop which says open from 5:30. Oh, the takeaway. Right, so they can't come past me here. Okay. Right then.
So, yeah.
So you've got something to say. Hold that.
Yeah. So the pub to your left is called the Shipper.
Down here.
The pub to your left is called the Shipper Ground, and just to let you know, it is a dog-friendly pub, which is very useful when you are camping or caravanning or staying in Woolacombe. So for those people that need to know, yes, that's what you need to know.
And you, sir, with your hand.
Has it got sound?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've got the microphone here, haven't I? Well, I would just like to say it's a wonderful day, and I'm going to go back and have some more drink. Governor.
I'll walk you through the village of Morthoe.
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it?
The top end of Woolacombe.
The only problem you got is the traffic. And as you can see today, it's not too bad at all. And just to prove that we are in Morthoe, there's the Morthoe post office. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing the name right actually. Look at them psychedelic. Oh my god. There you go. Woolacombe 31. Right, so look at them psychedelic tiles. They're cool. I don't know what that's all about, but that's pretty good. I like them. Yeah. And the number 31 goes to Woolacombe. That's what they're queuing for. They're not queuing for the museum. Just to prove that that bus is going to Woolacombe. And there it goes. Here we go. Morthoe on a clear day. What am I looking at, Bernadette?
Suitable for caravans. Those caravans would need to know that.
Right, so if you come here, it's unsuitable for caravans. Right then, let's get you home. Ish. And there's the parking charges. Should you need to know? Yeah. Silly girl, come on. And yes, I'm wearing that silly hat again. And I've explained the silly hat in my video. Oh, hang on, we're losing you. Come back. Oh, we've lost you. Oh. So we're downtown tonight. Entertainment already. And check the queue out still. All 2 meters apart. Yeah, there's Freedom Day for you. But hey, look, he's having some fun up there. Looks like he's in an ambulance. Right, we're going up there for something to eat. Come on, let's crack on with that then. So this is downtown Woolacombe on a beautiful evening. It's about 9 o'clock now. And if I pan over here, oh, the sun's not set yet, but uh-oh, car coming. Right, so got to be careful because of Alfie. Oh, hang on a minute, little dog over there. Right, okay. So, over there in the distance, still standing 2 meters apart. We're glad when that nonsense is over. Or will it ever end? Right, okay. So, let me see if I can zoom in here and show you Lundy Island once and for all. Can you see it now? There it is, that big flat strip there. 76 quid return to get there, but... And we had a nice meal at the pub, which I didn't film because you don't know watch us eating. So, we've come out of it, so we went down, where was we? We were down here. That's where we was just. Let's get it into focus. No, it wasn't. Where was we? It was up here, Woolacombe. Anyway, it doesn't show it on it, but anyway, it's there. Woolacombe, trust me, Woolacombe's there. So, now we're going to take a trip from here, down, back up. We're going to cross a bridge here to get into Wales. And then we're going to cross this way, all the way up here to visit some good friends. Very briefly, in Trefor. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong, and when they see this they'll go barmy at me, and I'm probably not pointing in the right place, but it's here somewhere. It's not far from there. Or it's there. Or it's there. I'll just be vague. It's here somewhere, so that's where we're going next. So we'll have a slow breakdown of the camp and go and have a look at Wales. Because we can. There's no rush and it doesn't take long to break down anyway, so they're still hiding under the car, their dogs are. It's hot. It's about 9:30 in the morning and it's still hot. Hello little girl. Right then, here we go.
second home.
And what we're looking for, what sort of price?
Don't know. But I think it's around it.
And where's your master bedroom?
Master bedroom.
We're going to go with you. What, yeah, go on. Yep, look. I look like a ball sack.
Massive ball sack. It's the best shadow show I've ever seen.
Brilliant.
But she's in. What do I do now? Unstrap her, move that, and we're done.